You thought it was over. You stopped paying, changed your passwords, and even reported the attack. Yet here they come again. The same threat, the same fear, the same nightmare. This is repeat extortion, and for many victims it feels like a cycle you cannot escape. Repeat extortion is not a moral failure. It is a documented pattern used by criminals who believe fear gives them leverage. The goal of sextortion is not just money. It is to create compliance through fear, silence, and psychological pressure. Understanding how the cycle works is the first step toward a long-term solution. In this video, we'll explain how repeat extortion works, why scammers come back, and the step-by-step actions you can take to break the cycle and regain control. How repeat extortion happens, why scammers come back. Repeat extortion often begins because criminals see an opening, a vulnerability they believe they can exploit again. Some scam tactics include reusing old threats, recycling content across multiple profiles, or contacting you through different platforms. Some scammers even sell or trade victim data in underground forums. Law enforcement agencies warn that once a victim shows fear or compliance, even once, criminals may return believing the tactic still works. Recognizing this pattern helps change how you respond. The danger of staying in the cycle. When the cycle continues, emotional distress grows. You may feel trapped, ashamed, or hopeless. Repeating the same reaction gives criminals a psychological victory. It can also make the extortion feel more powerful than it actually is. Research shows that repeated threats often follow a predictable script. The criminal's leverage is often based on fear. What a permanent solution really means. Stopping repeat extortion is not about confronting the criminal with force. It is about removing the psychological and technical triggers that give the scam power. A sustainable solution comes from reducing fear, documenting everything, reporting to authorities, securing all digital access, reclaiming control of your narrative. A step-by-step action plan. Breaking the cycle begins with disciplined strategy. Preserve every piece of evidence. Save messages, emails, photos, usernames, and timestamps, including repeat threats. Do not react with fear. Emotional responses fuel the criminal's belief that their threats work. Assess if the threat is repeated or new. Look for patterns in language, images, or demands. Do not delete old accounts, messages, or content impulsively. Preservation matters for investigation and reduction of criminal leverage. Report the incident, including repeat extortion attempts, to the online platform and law enforcement like the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. This helps track cycles and patterns, helping reduce future attacks. Secure your digital identity. Update passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, and review privacy settings on all social networks. Educate yourself about red flags and common psychological tactics used by repeat extortionists so you can recognize and dismantle panic triggers. Seek expert support. Contact a reputable private cybersecurity firm experienced in sextortion response to help assess risk, guide communication strategy, and reduce escalation without increasing danger. This is not a one-step fix. It is a long-term repositioning of how you respond and protect yourself. You are not powerless, but you need to be prepared. Breaking the cycle of repeat extortion is not about stopping every possible message forever. It is about removing fear, reclaiming control, and responding with strategy instead of panic. Criminals count on silence, shame, and confusion. When you act with clarity, evidence preservation, and support, you remove the psychological triggers that drive repeat threats. Blackmail.HelpLine specializes in helping victims deal with ongoing and repeat threats. Our team can help you analyze patterns across multiple contacts, preserve and organize evidence, assess whether the threat is recycled or escalating, and guide you on how to respond without reinforcing the scam. We also help victims secure their digital identity, reduce exposure risk, and coordinate reporting in a way that supports long-term safety. If the threats have returned or never really stopped, getting expert support can help you break the cycle instead of reliving it. You can contact Blackmail Helpline at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com. Repeat extortion is a pattern, and patterns can be disrupted with the right strategy. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.